Timmy, man, I love you, man.
Hey, hey,
Somewhat clean. I'm in this muddy field, so they ain't gonna stay clean. I got that McGuire's purple tire gel, that '07 Crown Vic CVPI always talks about. He the one that put me on to that, man. Yeah, they had it in the back. If you guys are going to like a auto parts store to get it, man, it's in the back, man. If you don't see it on the shelf, it's in the back more than likely, or they probably ran out. Yeah, man. Yeah, sometimes I said I was probably gonna throw rims on there. I said I wasn't serious about that. I ain't throwing no rims on the car, man. Like I got in tune with the boy Street Cruising 101 video where he's talking about his rims, man. And I feel the same way. I've been seeing people put Vicks on rims, and I've been giving them passes and stuff like that because they from like southern states. But seeing that he's from a southern state and he say rims are played out too, rims played out to me in like 2008, and we're gonna stretch it out to 10. We're gonna get you out 2010. This was like 10 years ago. People were doing like rims and stuff like that. Yeah, the tire dirty on the inside. Yeah, I drive through some muddy field. But yeah, man. Yeah, I agree with him, man. Rims are played out, man. I mean, with these cars in particular, I mean, if you're gonna put some rims on it, make it look modest, like a 17 to a 18, a dub or something like that, man. But you're gonna look like this guy, man. And that's not the look we trying to go for, man. We trying to keep it classic, man. Keep the inside, and not only have street cruising. You said you got the cleanest Crown Vic on YouTube. I don't think so. I beg to differ, my brother. This boy cleaned. Now, if you had your old Crown Vic, man, now that boy, gave me some round for my money, man. But nah, this is probably the cleanest Vic on YouTube, man, that I know I seen so far, man. Inside and out, man. Inside and out, man. That's a key factor, man. And outside of the car looked pretty and stuff like that, but the insides looked horrible, man. I've seen a couple of Vicks look fancy and stuff, but you get on the inside, and I'm not even talking about custom mods. Like you get on the inside, it's dirty, nasty, cigarette butts everywhere and stuff like that, and things of that nature, man. It's like, damn, man. What's the point of keeping the car up, looking good outside? You get in, and you don't want to sit in that motherfucker. You know what I'm saying? Look nasty. There go another Vic. It just passed. We missed it. What's the point? And a lot of people been asking me about these tail lights. I forgot the YouTuber that asked me about them. Got a little dust on them. The reverse light, he's asking me, is this functional? Yes, it's functional. It's pretty much turn signal, and reverse light. It's half and half. When you want to turn, this a flash with it. Like these two things are flash, and you want to reverse, and you got the reverse light poking out of there. You can go online and get those. It's not any particular. I don't know the particular brand of them, but yeah, man, you go online and check those out. Get in tune with those. All you got to do is put in LED Crown Victoria lights. Those should be the ones that pop up. I mean, these the nicest ones they have, man. So they gonna sell the nicest ones. I mean, I seen some other Crown Victoria lights, man, and I'm not trying to. I ain't trying to knock nobody, but yeah, man, I think these the best ones out. That's why I got them. But everybody's entitled to their opinion of what they think, man. Like I said, it's the cleanest Crown Vic on. You can see me on there. That's me on there, man. You see me. If we, get look at that. You can see me on that, boys, man. Yeah, man. Cleanest Crown Victoria on YouTube, man. I had to dust the shoulders off real quick, man. Let's check the other door. Yeah, you see me. You see me, man. All right, you guys, man. What I'm coming up with next on the next video I'm gonna hit you guys with is what I'm planning on doing for this car next. Seeing that we got this little downtime, I'm going to flush the radiator. I put some green when I changed my the oil cooler adapter, once I broke the hose, I mean broke the little nozzle that goes on it, I changed it out. I put some cheap green antifreeze coolant in there, just to hold me so I can, move back and forth for the meantime. But now I'm gonna go ahead flush that out, and I'm gonna go ahead and put that the Motorcraft Gold, if I can find a store near me that has it. I might have to travel or get it online. I hate getting things online. I have to wait. I like to get what I pay for in my hands, But yeah, we're gonna flush that out with that Gold Motorcraft. We're gonna drop that transmission pan. I'm not gonna flush the transmission fluid. I checked it. I checked it not too long ago. I checked it when I changed the oil, and it was pretty decent. It was dark, but it wasn't like too dark. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna drop that pan and just change the filter, and we ain't gonna do a full flush. We're gonna just change the filter and drop some new fluid in there. And pretty much next we're gonna change them brake pads. I'm gonna change all 4 of them, and the rotors, probably 2 in the back and probably 2 in the front also. Get some new rotors, brake pads all around. And next is probably tires. Tires. We'll get some tires, man, next. So that's all what's coming up on the King Crown P71 channel. You guys stay tuned, boy. It's your boy King Crown, and I'm out, man. And yeah, like I said, man, cleanest CVPI P7B on YouTube, man. You can see the reflections, man. You see it, man. Y'all see the vibes, man. And this is not no camera tricks, man. This is all hard work and clean and maintaining, you know what I'm saying? And in Chicago, it's hard, man, being that it's a lot of salt and a lot of snow being thrown around, you know what I'm saying? So rust is a factor in Chicago's weather. But you see I'm keeping it clean though, man. Just use the tire, man, but yeah, it's the dirt field, man. Before I drove in here, the tires was clean. I'll holler at you guys. Peace.